Dear students, we have already discussed what is a relation, what is a reflexive relation, symmetric relation, transitive relation, equivalence relation also, and also some theorems on relations. Now we will discuss what is a function. A function is nothing but this is the special kind of relations. All the relations is not a function. A relation is called a function if it satisfies two conditions. Means domain of the function f is equal to a. If a is a function from a to b, and the second is it cannot be one many. You also know it from first year. We only discuss the operation of the relations. Operations of relations. Let f is a function from d1 to r and g is a function from d2 to r be two functions. Then a plus g, a minus g, fg, f by g, where gx is not equal to 0 defined only when they are defined over the common domain, means d1 intersection d2 to r. F is a function from d1 to r, g is a function from d to r. Then you cannot add f plus g, f minus g, fg, f by g or scalar multiplication of the function at any case. But you will add if they are defined over the common domain. That means d1 intersection d2. In this case, f plus g, f minus g, fg, alpha f and f by g is also defined only. There are some kinds of functions. One function is there is one function. When we say that the function is one, the function f is called one. If fx is equal to fy implies x is equal to y. That is working rule for finding the one function. First take fx equal to fy. Solve this equation. If we find x is equal to y, then you declare that f is 1. This is called one function or injective functions. Similarly, onto function. A function is said to be onto function from a to b. If the range set of f is equal to the codomain set, that means if f of a is equal to b, in that case we say that the function is onto function. If x equal to fy implies x is equal to y, then we say that the function is one function. When the function is one and onto, that means this is injective as well as surjective, that is one and onto, then we say that the function is bijective. Bijective function means one plus onto. That is called your bijective functions. Dear students, up to this, we only discuss the relation function from first year course. Now, we will study the second year course, means composition of a function. We only know that what is a function, how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, and the kinds of functions, that it means onto function, into function, bijective function, surjective, injective, all are the things. But what is a composition function? Let f is a function from a to b. Suppose a is a set, b is another set, c is another set. F is a function from a to b, and g is a function from b to c. Then the composition function GOP is a function from a to c. GOP. Suppose x belongs to a. What is the function? F. Since f is a function, by definition of function, the domain must be packed. Means every element of a goes to b under this law. X means what is the image? Image is fx. Similarly, G is a function from B to C. Since G is a function, the domain must pack. Means every element of B goes to C under this law. That means fx belongs to B. So what is the image? Means G of fx. That means gfx. For the notation, GOFX. GF means you have to understand that is a GOF or GOP. Similarly, if we change the function, this function is G, this function is F, then fog is a function. Fog x is equal to F of Gx. This is fog and this is GOP. These functions are called the composite functions. They are not the composite function of 2 sets, 3 sets. There are also composite functions of several sets. Suppose A is a set, B is a set, C is another set, D is another set. F is a function from A to B. Suppose F is a function again from B to C. Then what is this function? That is FOP is a function from A to C. Suppose we extend the set, suppose D. Again F is a function from C to D. Then what is the function? F, O, F, O, F. What is this? We cannot spell here. दिटा थला बेले FOG फग, GOF गफ, FOF फप, GOG गग. Jodi I have taken these several functions, we cannot define it first. We cannot spell this word first. छोट पिला थला सेत में करा बाघ निश हलाना. बारे बाईगणी घरे घन नील. बाघ निश सहित रंगर की संपर्क अछि. खाली टू रिमेंबर दिस. बाघ निश हलाना बारे बाईगणी. सिमिलरली FOF एफ एटा दिया जाउछि काले पिला भाबिबो ए दीटा गुण नहीं कि अछि. FG जगह रे लिखा जाउछि काले पिला भाबिबो F into G सेति में लिखा जाय तमरा FOG. This is the operation. Similarly, this is a function from A to D. Now the function fog and GOP, that is the composition function. Fog may equal to fog, GOP may equal to fog or may not equal to fog. That depends upon the nature of the functions. When is GOP sometimes equal to fog. Similarly, GOP is not equal to fog. Let us consider 2 counter examples. Suppose fx equal to x square and gx equal to x cube. So what is fog? Fog x is equal to f of gx. That means f of what is gx? X cube. Now here fx equal x square, fy is equal to y square, ft is equal to t square, fx square cube is equal to x cube whole square. A to the power m whole to the power n, a to the power mn, that means x to the power 6. Similarly, GOP x is equal to g of fx, that is equal to g of what is fx? X square. What is gx? X cube. That means x square whole cube, that is equal to x to the power 6. In this example, GOP is equal to fog. Similarly, you take another example. GOP is not equal to fog. It is up to you. You test it. That means in general, GOP is not equal to fog.